We're joined today by Peter Morehouse, Managing Director of Basin Energy. Peter, thanks for your time.
Thanks for having us, David. Great to be here.
You've been listed around 12 months. What was the proposition you took to market ahead of the ASX listing?
So just over 12 months, October last year, and really we wanted to provide the ASX with credible greenfields or new stage exploration play for uranium. We saw this uranium cycle coming. We wanted to position ourselves in the world's best place for uranium explorers. We've done that by getting access to 3 projects in the Athabasca Basin, and we think we bring really good value for the ASX, a bit of a different proposition to some of our competitors who are a little bit more advanced.
Talking about the Athabasca Basin, for those who don't know it, why is it such an interesting basin for uranium exploration?
Oh, how long have we got? Look, for those of you who don't know, the Athabasca, it's been home to uranium mining for about 65 years. It's been a top producer for uranium for 45 of those. It's a phenomenal part of the world. And the reason for that is the pure size and the scale of the deposits which we have there. We talk about uranium opportunities in Australia. We look at some of the big deposits here, which typically range in the 0.1 to 0.5% categories. In the Athabasca Basin, we look at McArthur River, which is one of the biggest, and it's about 675 million pounds, but at almost 17% uranium. So you look at those grade differences, and that's why you've got this pedigree of uranium mining, purely from the size, the scale of the opportunity, and the continued success. We continue to see discoveries of great credible deposits and projects.
You are an explorer. What attracted you to your project portfolio, and what's the work that's been done over the last 12 months?
Yeah, so my background's uranium exploration. My entire career has been uranium pretty much, so 18 years or so. For me, the big opportunity with the Basin properties is this realisation of a little bit of a different mineralisation style. So looking for what we call basement hosted uranium. Now with this, the opportunities that we have sit quite shallow. So when you're looking at the Athabasca, a lot of the opportunities are quite deep, but our projects provide credible exploration targets in that sub 200-300 metres depth, which provides credible exploration for a junior. We can go and do good geophysics, and we can do lots of drilling for considerably less money, relating to shallow targets instead of the deeper targets.
Where to from here? What's the plan over the next 6, 12, 18 months? What should investors be focusing on?
Yeah, well look, we've had a phenomenal 12 months. We've moved the projects forward, we've de-risked them through good geophysics, we've done first pass drilling, and this is early stage exploration, bearing in mind. First pass drilling, we did 8 drill holes, 4 of those hit anomalous uranium, which is a pretty good success rate. Didn't hit all grades, but we hit 0.5 metre, 0.25%. We hit some big thick intersections of alteration and of brecciation, so the key ingredients that we look for these big deposits. From that, we've taken that and done some further geophysical studies to refine our targeting, and now we've got the next phase of drilling to occur in Q1 next year. So we're fully funded for that. We'll be rolling out our drill programs on our main project at Geeky. We'll also be advancing our other projects, doing further groundwork to set up for a drill program, hopefully in the middle of next year for those. So lots of drilling, lots of geophysics, lots of exploration, and moving these projects forward.
Right place, right sector, right time. A clear and focused uranium explorer, a company to watch, Basin Energy. Look forward to watching it and the news flow coming. Peter, thanks for your time.
Perfect, thank you, really appreciate it.